Okay, so you will be team demolition. I mean, you will be demolition. And I will be the keeper of our time.
Ang nakakabahan na agad. Tara dito tayo. Dalawa lang tayo.
So we can either
Nasaan ka nga eh? Balay. Dito, dalawa. Scary talaga.
there's somebody on the island.
Somebody knows me by lol. Ang lag ko na. Balasan na ka.
Jumping
Ba't
on.
may ganun ka? Ganyan.
Come on, Raisin. Come here.
Ba't may paganyan ka? Nagre-record ako eh.
Come on, Raisin. We
Ako
can
rin
all-
ganyan. Paano ba?
Raisin.
Ka.
Hello.
Nagre-record ka, hindi ka may ram.
Raisin. Come on. Yeah, go.
Hindi na may scroll. Kawawa ka.
Goodbye.
Ayun o.
Goodbye, Rainbow.
Wait, funny.
Oh, get so much
Ayun.
loot. Nice. Okay, we're actually gonna
Ayun,
go back to
record.
this. And Strabo,
Record.
all of us, we give you loot. Yes, Straco, are
Ayun o.
you safe?
I got the wall.
You got the wall. We are ready for Operation Blow Up Yellow Team. It is ready. We actually.
Nakakaya ko na. Tara na. Putik kang lag.
I got
Sorry
15
ka.
diamonds. Okay, I'm
Kita mo ako yung buhok ko? Kita mo. Ako lang yellow ako. Pati ako. Magkapatid tayo. Hoy, huwag mo na. Bye-bye. Salamat.
Welcome to your night shift at
Sigurado mo.
Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics.
Ako yung camera. Sasabihin ko.
Turn
Ay,
on the
sige.
grill.
Ikaw na lang camera.
Customers
Sabihin mo.
just
Ay,
love their
mapapala.
shawarma hot.
Mamaya po kasi yung papatayin ko kayo. Akala ko kayo yung kamera.
Window. Let everyone know you're
Hola!
before serving. Be sure to read the safety rules.
I wanna you or you.
Just like
Patayin
we
mo
are.
lang kayo. Wag I don't know. Hello! What the fuck are you? Scared. Huwag mo kasi yung patayin. Kainis naman nito. Saan ba maglaro ng shawarma?
Did you get him?
Oh my god. Naglaro kayo kanina tapos sige, the rules.
And while
Welcome
you
to
wait,
the
feel
night
free to
shift.
watch TV or
Take
listen to
come
the
and
radio.
follow the loop.
Music keeps the mood
By
up.
smiling customer from in head him up to
Into
the
their eyes. It's more fun that
the
way.
wet moving window. Oh, wet mo.
Smile,
Filled under the counter.
everything will be just
Bye-bye.
perfect.
I already know this.
Already on their way.
Okay. Okay, don't shut the fucking door. Good mood. I see you there. Bibili ka? I'm back here, you bitch. Wait, motherfucker, bro. Fuck you. Wait. I'll see the camera. Okay. Ito ko yung sarili ko. Bye-bye, motherfucker. Eh, ako na tagatingin sa CCTV. Check mo na. You wanna die? You gotta die. Okay, siyang tao. Mabuti naman. Ayun, okay. Hindi naglo-load. Okay siya. Tanda mo na. And put you. Sige, dyan ka na. Umalis ka na. Malag ka. Ako nagtitinda. Ikaw na lang mag-ano dyan. Paano ba?
He's also invisible and he's gonna go
Mamaya
attack
pa
him,
yung
and I'm
meat.
gonna go through the front. We'll throw a bunch of whatever this
Oh, sure. Lumayas ka dito. Okay. Ikaw na magluto.
we got.
Oo, ako na magluluto. Layas ka na. Ikaw na lang camera person. Okay, kita pala ko may tao. Wala, ako lang. Papatayin ko na ba? Wag ka pumunta muna dito. Sasarang to. Wag! Normal lang naman yan na customer eh.
Super defensive because they see us with
Magpatugtog na lang ako.
But
Bahala ka din.
I'm running. I have a fireball.
Hmm.
A fireball.
Nanonood ako kayo.
Over, jumping over with the
Layan.
With my hand. With my hand.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Umot na na to.
Actually, you shouldn't.
Ano to? No, decline. Decline mo yan.
Did you murder them?
Decline mo yan. Kasi pag yan, wala. Siyempre, umalas na siya. Okay, bro. Ito ko naman eh. Magkakada. Ay, buksan mo. No, mamaya na. Wag. Mamaya may merong
Because they know we're trying to pull them to knock back sticks.
Dugmon mo naman. I-close mo. Kunyari, okay ka lang. Huwag mo muna Putik ka pag yan multo, tingnan mo. Ikaw magkasalanan. Ano daw? Shawarma? Okay, normal customer yan. Ako na magluluto.
Boom.
Ako na.
Buddy, I need assistance on Blue Island.
Ikaw na lang manulong din.
Luna, I'm dropping off I'm dropping some diamonds off you. And we are heading over to Blue Island. We have yellow team.
Wait lang hindi naman. Motherfucker bro! Doon ka putang na mo.
Oh, and do you need my TNT? I think we are good on TNT. We just need
Right. Ako na mag-roll kasi
He's chasing you.
Bye-bye, te. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, motherfucker, bro. Hindi yan lalaki. Babae yan. Okay, sasarado.
Oh, look at all of them.
Tingnan ka kasi yan sa CCTV.
Okay, wait. I have 17 diamonds. That makes me feel so special. I don't know what to spend them on. I can do something with that. Oh, really? Yes. Okay, I'll leave it in the chat. What?
May lulo. Okay naman. Lula. Okay, hindi yan
We hope you guys enjoyed the knockback stick challenge. If you did, make sure to smash the like.
Hello, Lula. I give you. Wait lang ako na. Kuha na ako. Paano? Ayaw kumuha. Okay, no.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not.
Lalagay ko na dito.
See. Bye.
Ay! Oops. Papantin ka na, mais ka dyan. Sama na mo. Add salad. Sige, ikaw na. Add meat. Roll. Naroll ko na eh! Pantin ka ah. Huwag na! Paano na tayo dito matatapos? Pantin ka! Ikaw na lang ah! Wala ka dyan. Titignan ko na nga. Oo, sa bakit. Namin mabaliw na ito. Mabaliw ito.
There, Draco.
Okay naman. Fuck you, motherfucker. Sakyan. Okay, dalawa daw. Manguha ka na lang ng Hindi, sauce. Hindi, manguha ka na. Sige. Ikaw na yan eh. Ako na lang maglalagay. Wait, bayad nyo ate! Bayad nyo ate! Lumas ka dyan sa may, bago yan, kukuha ko dito.
We can't see you very well.
Hindi namin, sorry. Bye-bye. May nasaan na?
Thanks, my friend's waiting outside.
Bye-bye, Lula. Kabay motherfucker, bro. Papansin ka. Okay, sarado na. Sige, lumabas ka. Joke lang, ayoko yung mumu. May mumu ako nakita. Nakain yung tao. Ano? Ba't daw yung what the fuck? Wait, tintin mo muna yan. Huwag mo muna yan.
What you guys want to show the demon.
Okay. Ay! No! Yan yung multo, putik. Sisigaw yan sa atin. Sisigaw yan, putik. Yo! Laya! No, napanood kita. Ha?
Oh no!
Wag! Sisigaw yan sa atin! Pag tinindan mo. Wala na siya. Bye-bye. Fuck you. Dahil sa'yo bubuka eh. Pagtay na tayo. Doon ka naman. Napanood ko kasi yung tinindan nila sumigaw sa kanila. Hinain sila. Hindi.
Seriously, because you're so like you're the type of series that I'm not you at Okay. So evil little baby Draco. We need some swords.
It's
Wait,
so
we
long.
actually need this. This is something.
Tagal
new. It is
nila.
called auto
Walang
roll bridge.
customer.
I'll show you guys what it does. We collect
Ah.
25.
Merong nahulog sa ano. Lasing.
Get.
Huwag mo yung tindahan. Yung likod niya tingnan mo, parang baliw. May dugo. Huwag ka tumingin sa taas.
Here, little angler.
Tumingin ka sa taas. Ah! Baliw! Motherfucker! Nasaan na siya? Wala na nahulog. Nangyari kasi sagit tumingin ako sa taas. Biglang nahulog.
Oh my god.
Siya naman sa dito. May mga...
Let's go.
Sarado mo na. Okay? Now, I'm closer. Bye-bye, brother. Brother, bye-bye. Hello, libreng pera. Thank you. Thank you for the libreng
No way to
pera.
train without shawarma.
You ain't,
This is a dishonor.
you ain't a soldier. You ain't a warrior. You're a stupid bitch.
We are just lost again.
You know what? I'm tired of working with it. Let's build
Alasin mitita palita. Malesa. Katalena.
We are going to build
Asan
the
na ba?
very
Tissue, oh,
castle
may
sleepover.
tao.
It will look just like
Okay
this
naman.
one.
Okay, tao yan.
Well,
Joke lang. Hello, Uncle Encho. Okay ka lang.
I'm so sorry.
Kuha ka na. Sure, think 150. Okay na naman.
Very fortunate.
Ay, gusto niya daw ng ganito eh.
For this special
Ako na lang ako kuha ng ganito.
We're sneaking on over to that island so we can get diamonds. Let's go! Fairy powers! Yay! Alright, I actually do look like a fairy. I'm just pulling this red stuff and we're jumping on here. Look for ways. Green team is breaking down stuff. They don't want people near their
Huwag ka magulo, ah.
So we're going to run back to our
Bye-bye.
island.
Bye-bye. Have a great day.
One of
Bye-bye.
our team upgrade thingies so we can
Some better.
get some gold falling out. Let's go.
You bitch! How dare you know yung ga...
Go to that island. You ready, Chaco?
Puto pakos da.
Power. Go!
Alam ko merong dumaan eh. Ha? May dumaan. Nakita mo yun, di ba?
Let's
Ha?
go!
Ako lang pala yun.
I don't know about the place.
Kala ko si Johnson.
Nothing's working. There's that
Wala, parang dumaan. Ayun.
big Draco.
Ayun, tao. Wag, hindi.
Oh.
Ayan, ano yan? Toknat. Hindi. No, multo yan. Toknat yan.
Easy peasy.
Wala. Hindi yan, ano yan. Kinik na nga si CCTV. Kinik mo si CCTV. Lumayas ka dito, hindi namin ikaw property. Oh, tingnan mo, chinecheck niya na nga eh, ginagawa niya.
I'm gonna go run back.
Eh di bilis, tindahan mo yan pag namatay tayo, ikaw may kasalanan. Ayun, tapos saraduhan natin ang bubo. So out for all us this. Panoorin niyo yung ano, video natin. Sure. No! No! Nagkamali tayo! No! Nagkamali tayo! Bakit? Kasi tingnan mo! Tingnan mo! Kailangan natin magkatama na! Tumama na dapat tayo! Di ba sabi ko siya tama yun? Tao yun eh! Ano ba to? Ay, ano ba to? Inspector, tao yan! Paano mukhang multo?
never faced any bad words people that laughed at so hard before that they're singing.
Okay.
So,
Bebentahan ka na namin.
again, this time we are in a pirate map.
Ay, hindi.
You can see
Pwede.
pirate stuff everywhere.
Oo, pwede. Free. Bibigyan tayo ng 500 nan. Okay lang.
Oh my
Bibigyan tayo ng 500. Okay lang.
What is that? So let's brought the yellow team while they were
Lasing ka kaya okay lang. Lasing? Putang ina mo. Lasing
So you
siya.
want to do a crossover? You want to murder
Diyan mo
them?
siya. Wala ko nagkakakuha dito.
Let's sneak around them.
Go under the water.
Kahit free ngayon, bibigyan niya tayo ng ano. Kahit free ngayon, bibigyan niya tayo ng 500 mamaya.
Here you go.
No!
PH.
Kuya, lasing. No, sarado mo na. Sarado. Putik, ano yun? Makainis ng ano? Pag merong motor na nag-stop dito sa may harapan, bubuksan natin itong pintuan at saka lalabas tayo, okay? Huwag tayong tumingin dito sa may, stand natin na ito. Kasi mamamatay tayo. Huwag tayo titingin dyan. Oh, puta! Tinakot! No! Hello! Hello! No! No! Mumu yan! Mumu yan! No! Mumu yan! No way! No way! No! No! You just shut your window. Bukain! Wala kang nakakatakot ka sa may... Sumasayaw kang ano? Sumasayaw kang ano?
Now we
Halat.
the ultimate plan to stop people. You know what? We're gonna
Wala.
murder them. Get rid out of them.
Tinitingin na sa may mukha.
Bad boys. People keep murdering us.
Ito sa likod mo. Wala. Tumingin na ako kanina dyan. Nanood ako.
Hello?
Ano yun?
Alright. We have nothing to protect our men with because these are the slowest ones. You know?
Lolo!
Alright, he's gonna come over here and
Okay
touch
na
me.
siya.
Bigin, there
Pinin, okay na.
is
Lola.
no.
Ay, lolo pa. Lolo!
But we have 8
One shawarma.
One homemade chicken. It's very
Kapatid,
big.
he said.
We died too many times. We got this. Tiny
No! Normal lang yung taong yun. Hello! Start with the lavish. Alang minutes food with the thighs. Chicken na natin. Add cheese. Okay. Salad. Okay. Meat. Roll. At saka alam ko siguro soda. Soda siguro. No, walang soda. Pwede na natin.
We're still gonna go murder them.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Lulu.
He's so excited. We're gonna get the emerald. Let's go.
Let's murder blue team.
Pinatay ko. What the fuck did you do?
Collect all the emeralds so no one can have anything.
Nakakatakot, meron na nakikita mo.
Dude, get up.
Ay, puto. Ako na tayo sa akin. Titingin rin ako.
Go back. We have 3 emeralds and let me see your left. Dude, I'm not turning around. I'm running. I'm turning here.
Ito siguro yung drunk person.
Not today. Did you just die?
Wala naman na.
Yeah, he just died. We're not going there.
Wala, okay siya. Okay na tayo.
150.
Ay, diba sabi ko sa'yo eh. Yun yung magbibigay ng ng 500 kasi yung lasing siya. Kasi pinakain natin siya eh. Kasi mabait kami. Diba? Binigyan ako. Pati ka printo ko.
Okay, this.
Ako na maglalagay.
You are dying. You are dying right now.
Tumulong ka sa akin,
We are
eh.
going to upgrade.
Admit,
Something
bilis.
full.
Hindi ma-restop yun yung sarili niya. Parang baliw yan eh. Bye-bye. Ano yun?
We are the laziest fairies on earth.
Ano yan? Okay, bye-bye.
We got the Norax going combat.
This is good. This is so good.
It's not
Okay na.
It's when I was my second day. We're playing two times this time. So we can gang up on
Akala ko kung manok yun naman pala.
and murder them all at one time. I was very, very down.
Hindi, nagkamali lang tayo ng isang beses kasi. Palaki na, palaki!
You know Instagram filter. She's flipping everywhere, guys. Murder her.
May ganyan.
She's like flipping. She's not flipping up. Do it. No. You're jumping
sorry.
too much. I
Uy, okay ka lang.
People are killing everyone. But
No, sarado mo. Tingnan mo, may tao sa likod. May tao sa likod sa camera to. Sa camera to.
Hey, what are you doing next up?
Putik. No way. Get out.
A bunch of games that I just got.
Oh, in front of you. Huwag ka tumingin sa meat. Huwag ka tumingin sa meat. Promise. Tumingin ka sa meat.
Oh my god, they're gonna come back with an axe.
Ha? Ako lang?
No.
Ano ba yan? Pakita yun yung meat. Okay. Ikaw na lang mag-scroll.
Oh boy. They had it.
Nakatago na. Puta yung... Kakainin kita. Mag-ano, mag-scroll. Wala na siya. Ha? Nakatago na. Buti akin, nakatago na rin. Nagtago. Ayoko sumigaw eh. Ayoko sumigaw. Ayoko na. Yun. Bilis. Okay naman. Okay siya. Okay. Buksan. Takot po ako kung sino sumigaw.
So where
Hola, Lolo. Lolo, are you okay?
I mean, we were dying too fast and we actually won a full gameplay, but actually do
Okay, ikaw mo magawa. Okay, ni. Kunin.
My dog.
I mean, people just kept
Wala.
murdering us. It kind of sucks.
Ayan eh. Okay, bilis. Yung may swam.
We
Wait
tried to
lang.
murder her.
Wait,
She just
kamu
kept
pa
living
yung
with her
isang
blood was running.
nakakuha na ako.
And we died.
Let's murder yellow team because they are being.
Uy, nakakuha na ako kanina. Ba? Okay, bilis, lagay mo.
We're gonna be super savage this round because
Ang savage natin.
we
Sa
played
dalawa lang tayo.
8 games
Huwag
of
kang
Bad Wars
matay.
and died 8 times from 8 different people with no armor or anything.
Ako na
But we had
maglaro.
really good swing. So now we're super spaghetti mad and
Hello.
we go destroy your bed.
Okay, normal na tao siguro.
Okay, let's go. I have 3 diamonds. I don't really care if I lose them or not.
Wait.
Just. Oh my god,
Normal na tao ba?
God.
Ayun.
Wow.
Bakit may mata?
Oh.
Saan?
Don't take us down with you, yellow.
Ay, oh, meron din ako nakikitang mata mo. Bakit ka ganyan?
Here we go,
Parang nakaganyan. Sino? Parang nakaganyan. Bakit nakaganyan? Hindi, ulo lang yan, ulo.
No, yellow.
Oh, pala, nakatagos.
Coming over. I don't care, I'm fighting now.
Ako nagkagatingin.
Die, you bitch!
Kay Bibili.
Oh, yeah!
Okay naman. Okay siya. Ngayon ka sa likod, baka meron gagawin.
Reinforced armor.
Okay, oh.
Someone attack blue team invisible.
Wait, how can you
No!
not
May sumasayaw na mumu. May sumasayaw na mumu. No! Tatalon yan sa'yo, promise. No! Tatalon yan sa'yo, promise. Tatalon yan sa'yo. Pag tinignan mo yan, tatalon yan.
Catfish disease, what we're doing? They're like,
No!
no.
Tignan mo kung ano nangyari. Nagkamali kasi tayo, tingnan mo. Dahil kasi yung sa may multong yun, nakainis. Tingnan mo.
So we gotta do this. Oh, I actually found the bed.
Putik ka. Tabog ka.
Open up, coming.
Kung makatalon lang sana ako.
Oh no.
Tara dito! Ay, nakaganyan. Tara na dito, natutupot ko. Meron tayo natin. Huwag mo siya tindan. Huwag mo siya. Bang!
Oh, this is getting crazy. I don't know what. We should just all charge it. Yeah, that's right.
Wait, pwede mo siya tindan tapos i-close mo yung pintuan. Natutulog ko may mumu.
I can't.
No! Bubu ka wala? Hindi, buksan mo na. Yan, buksan mo yan, buksan mo yan. Tapos, tumingin ka na muna dyan, tumingin ka na muna.
And another one is coming.
Putik na, ano yan? Dito, okay. Tapos, sarado mo na. Mumu yan eh.
Okay, do we have TNT yet?
Thank you, Lord.
Yes, I have two.
Oh,
I see.
wait, thank you sa libreng ano.
That's gonna be kind of hard.
Hello!
You found it?
Oh, mabait kami.
Baby on the
Hindi kami nagtitinda ng multo. Pwede ka ba, Hansen? Papa. Hello,
They're locked.
Inspector kasi natin yan. Yan pa rin yung sumasayaw. Sige, tumingin na lang tayo dyan, tapos wag natin to. Tumingin tayo dyan, tapos biyaan na.
Hey! What is that? There's a ghost! We were hunting my ghost out, so the fairies will be alive.
Ayoko siya
No way!
Yung mukha?
I feel like we're dancing. We're like really hitting us.
I should be put to
Thanks, guys. I think we're crazy.
Pag yung tao lang tingnan mo, maiinis ang sa'yo.
I swear someone
Blue is chasing
Huwag
full.
ka tumingin sa taas ng refrigerator.
Dead.
Umaakit ko sa tao na to. Dahil sa'yo eh! Ano mamatay ako?
So this capsule, where did they even come from?
Okay.
We're just gonna
Labas!
lose
Labas!
all
Huwag ka tumingin! Huwag ka tumingin! Dito lang tayo tumingin.
A bad horse curse? Die!
Okay. O diba, sabi ko sa'yo eh. Masasurvive tayo.
We have a curse.
Magaling tayo! Yay! Kahit naka-mobile tayo. Mobile lesson! Ang saya! 55 minutes na to. Paano ba ilagay dyan yun? Wala, ganyan lang yun. Kailangan pa natin mag-serve ng papatay mo na lang yan. Oo, papatay mo na. Paano mo ba dyan papatayin? Mamaya sa taas? Oo. Tatawa sa taas. Okay, stop. Sino ba
This is
tumatawag?
it, God.
Ang saya!
The bad horse curse. We have been cursed upon. We have been bad horse gang. Come on.
Ang saya no, ang saya. Tumingin ka dito, Petek. Ito lang tayo. Ay, Lul! Lul! No. Oh, okay. Oh.
You can eat that golden apple. That was a waste. I'm just gonna go this way and collect the emeralds.
Nandiyan pa rin sumasayaw na lady eh.
Sabi ko, hindi pakita ko palawag mo tanong ako.
Wala. Kaya nga pala nakakatakot po ito. Lumayas na yung babae? Sige po, andyan po. Halagang aswang siya. Mo talaga ito.
Naging duwing dahil sa bata.
Bubukay! Ba't ka kasi magiging mumu? Bublox ka ba? Dugit ka. Mas matangkad sa'yo yan. Tapos tatayo na lang dyan yun mamaya. Going back the Hana Lulu, just to get that. Ay, tatayo dyan yun mamaya. Oo, tatayo. Tapos kukunin tayo.
Draco wants to charge Reggie. We got this.
Chika-boom. Going back the Hana Lulu, just to get that. Wowie. Wowie. Wait lang nga. Ikaw na lang nga magtitinda tapos ano para madagdagan yung pera mo. Sayang.
Were we cursed by some evil
Tao.
Yeah.
Tao siya, literal na tao. Sige, ikaw na magtinda na. Ikaw na magtinda para madagdagan yung pera mo para pag namatay ka, makaka-revive ka pa rin ng pera mo. Bilis.
That's tactic of the mob. Set.
Literal na tao naman siya.
Very
Nga,
safe, dude.
tindahan mo nga. Promise.
We don't got TNT.
Okay.
Fuck, you give us TNT.
Tindahan mo siya, tindahan mo siya. Normal yan.
Don't fire.
Place it under the
Tulong ka rin
counter
kasi
and then
Hindi, ikaw na. Kasi para madagdagan ka.
driverless car will stop in front of the station.
Ay, hindi, wag. Wag mong tindahan. Mumo siya. Tignan ka. No. Tumingin ka dyan, tignan mo.
That was coming.
Fuck you. Mumu. Sabi ko na mumu yun eh. Diba magaling tayo?
Okay, we ran out. Gold.
Okay. Magaling kami, hindi kami bobo.
Sorry, man. Kill them.
Ang saya natin dito, kahit kasama na natin yung Momo. Momo! I like you. I like to see you. Ma'am, Wowie. Can you make the Wowie trend?
Hindi ka naman bawa na sila.
I hate you.
May TikTok na pa.
I hate you, you bitch.
Ay, lulo. Malula.
Tindan mo siya para madagdagan yung pera mo.
Red is breaking and not poop.
Wait lang.
Can
Sige,
we-
normal.
We can eat them a little bit. There we go. Make sure
Normal.
everything counts.
Walang Momo.
What?
Tindan mo para ano?
No.
Para madagdagan yung pera mo.
Parang kakaiba yung lula.
We're trying to win.
Huh?
Okay, we're trying to win something. We need to get at least
Hindi, normal lang
a
yan.
little bit. I'm gonna play Red Wars.
My kids are killing me.
When will you learn?
Total 2.
How is he even getting to you?
Oh, pay
Oh,
me.
because there's a giant green tower. Chinese bridge.
No.
Ako na.
Matalino yung mga tao, hindi katulad ng mga Momo. Oo nga.
Red, you have no knockback. Come on, get knockback. There we go.
Nintay kita.
That's what
Gawin mo.
Utak pa? Ang gala ka naman. Tignan mo sa CCTV kung totoo talaga siya. Normal.
Normal yun, ah.
Fun.
Oh, normal na. Sobrang normal. Diba matalino kami? Kok.
Ay, may give.
Kok.
Ay, may give.
We're gonna go murder them. Okay. They keep coming back. I feel like
Red team's coming now too.
two people are coming towards us. Let's go.
Ay, we forgot something. Pepsi. Kunin mo,
Okay,
Pepsi.
so red and blue are both
Kuha
attacking
ka ng
us.
Pepsi.
Feel like maybe Draco can handle this red. Come on, red. Let's go
Okay.
attack someone else. Blue has built
Bye-bye.
like one of the weirdest towers I've ever seen. Like, that is a weird tower.
I hate you. Ba't ganyan siya maglakad? O, diba? Totoo siya, tao siya. 8 kasi, naging 8. Okay.
Destroy this, whatever this
Tayo ay magaling.
is annoying.
Hindi tayo bobo.
Throw that over.
Hindi na tayo nagtatakot na. Magaling tayo. Happy yun.
Better Bunny is going over there. I feel like I'm trying. Bunny behind the movie.
Pag nakataas na ito, wag kang lumabas ah.
Bakit?
Kasi papatayin ka nun. Papatayin ka nun. Pag nakatayo na. Pag lumabas ka, mamamatay ka.
Double ganger.
Our track was triggered, but we have pushes now. So get down.
May double ganger. May double ganger.
Sino?
Ayan o. Ayan o. Double ganger.
Ito ko. Ano ba? Ang papansin naman nila?
Ano ba yan na?
Hindi ako magawa.
Ay, ma. Wait nyo. Kasi double ganger ka, bubu.
Ang ingay pa na wala kang paso. Yung kagrap ko. Wait lang, ayusin ko na muna yung upuan.
What is your ego flag?
Ayun siya. Kailangan natin siya sa warmat sa friends.
No, Sharpie. Pagkatapos na natin. Natakot pa ako kung sino yung sumisigaw.
Nakatakot pala ito eh.
It's blue versus green.
Naglaro tayo pa hindi naman nakakatakot na.
Hindi na.
Yeah.
Oh, may tao, may tao.
No, hindi to tata. Dito tao. May mukha sa likod niya. Yung likod ng ulo niya may mukha.
Wala.
Aman, merong mukha. Tingnan mo. Wala eh.
Wala. Oh.
Aman, meron promise. Oh, meron akong nakita. Wag ka.
Hindi nga, tignan natin. Sarado mo.
Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo ah. Ayun oh. May mukha. Hindi ako bubo. Hindi ako bubo katulad niya. Okay.
Sabon.
Dahil sa'yo, matadami tayo, mamamatay tayo. Dahil sa'yo mamamatay tayo. Puro tao yung sinasabi mo. Mamaya mamatay pa tayo.
Wait. You're chasing them to my bed.
Okay, normal. Itong pangkad mo, te.
I want you one of these.
Oh, they're right there. Let's get them.
Nakuha ko natin yung CCTV.
Di, okay lang.
Yes!
Tinignan ko.
It
Okay lang.
smells amazing.
Wait, stop this! Maybe we broke up.
Ganda mo, te.
Kaya.
Draco, this is for you. It is a Bed Wars.
Bilis, ikaw magtinda. Nakalimutan ko pala ito. Bilis, mapuno. Akin kasi 20,000 na yung akin eh. Hello. Ha? 10,000.
That's why I'm giving him all the
Oh,
Bed Wars.
20,000. Kaya pwede na ako ma-revive ng 2 beses.
Delicious
Draco,
as
do you feel
always.
it? Yeah, do you feel it? It's
Buk. Ilan na yung pera mo? Ano? 540. Okay, 500.
in there. I cannot tell you. But
400.
it's for this Bed Wars, you guys. We hope you enjoyed it.
460 pa. 400, 600.
But we did.
Eh, 4,600 pala.
We did win the last one meeting. I think we broke the Bed Wars curse. I think it's secret Bed Wars curse.
Wag. Double ganger yan. Wait. You beat. Hello. Now you style. Now you style. Oo nga, alam ko. The collect. Diba sabi ko sa'yo? Kita ko kayo.
Don't forget
For
to
both of
subscribe to our
us.
channel if you haven't already.
We never left. You close the window. We never left.
Wait, we'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.
You never
Bye.
left.
Out.
Okay. Nanonood ako pa ng ingay. But that's okay. Because I like it when it's noisy.
I'll kill you.
Hey, I'm Leah. I'm on Emoji. I'm to create.
Okay.
Yan, may papapunta.
Ikaw magtitinda, di ba? Kailangan mong pera.
Yan, check mo mamaya. Oras lang. Ay, gusto mo yan. Tignan mo, tignan.
I'm the most problematic baby in the world. Not on my watch. All babies will behave.
Ooh, what's this? A dangerous substance. The
Naka?
Not on my watch.
Tao.
One should
Ay, okay.
Okay, wait na.
That is love. Because we're a baby
Lang.
and we want to. What is that?
Huwag mo i-off kasi yung...
Whoa. Error. What is this?
Eat up in the living room. Yeah. Guys.
Ikaw mas... Ito love is off.
I don't know what to do. We're angels. We're angels. We should know. Hello.
Pag dito tumaas yung mga inis ako.
Let's pretend to play ball. We're playing ball. What are
Ito, ang pinsan namin. Diba? Sabi mo nga, hi. Hi ka nga. Hoy, hi ka nga. Sabi ko. Grabe naman ito. At saka, ito ang best friend namin. Diba, best friend natin ito. Hindi siya tumatawa kasi ano, mapait kami. Sinisipan namin sila.
What is happening? No, I have a first year. Oh, come on! No! Hey! No, stop!
What did you want? Oh, Robin, the baby.
No, may scales. May scales. May scale. Para siyang mermaid. Hindi, mermaid. Para siyang mermaid. No, para siyang mermaid.
Oops, sorry. I guess I don't.
Promise, para siyang mermaid. Dagdagan kami ng pera. Bumaba siya? Yeah, tagmay. Gok, 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 gok. Ilan ang pera mo?
Funny fact, my puppy sorry. She's in here.
Meron na sigurong tao. Nood tayo ng nood. May kayo. No, huwag natin tindahan. Hindi na siya kailangan parang magsalita siya tapos mamatay siya. Ang gulo naman nila na naglalaro tayo. Baka may sasabihin. Ayoko. Wala sila dyan, maglaro lang tayo. Kasi masaya.
No. Yummy cookies. You know what? You guys no. You need some fruit. I don't.
Kaya akong bibenta.
What about what is
Ikaw ang bibenta ito. Di ba tapos na eh?
Look what I have. What? Oh, no, it's rabbits. Yum, 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 yum. Oh my! Why did I? Oh my god! Run! Yo, there's some bleach! Let's go! Oh my god, there's bleach! No! You cannot have any detergent! Yup!
Hot and ready.
Okay? Take it to eyes, 40 seconds from
Ayun na.
away! I'm trying to do this! Delicious green poison! Woo! Dangerous. What if I do try to get these babies?
Ano nangyari?
Okay na!
Okay.
Wait, no one wants to go into the washing. No.
Ano na lang? Wala mo na lang ng ng 380. Ay, 3,800. Anong 4,000 ka mo? Ha? 3,800. Tagal!
Oh, yeah, I don't know. Funny. No!
Sa likod, tignan mo.
Okay.
Sa likod! Tignan pa tinitignan sa likod.
Yeah.
Wala mo, wait. Huwag ka tumangat sa mukha. Bakit? Bakit? Wait.
You're gonna be the worst dad alive.
Oh, I am the TV.
Bublox ka? Bakit ka kasi tumingin?
Oh, give me that.
Ngayon, huwag ka lumabas. Makainis ka. Hindi tayo lalabas ngayon. Tingnan mo, nakatayo na. Makainis ka kasi.
What happened to you? You know, I went through a lot of stuff. You know,
Hello?
story.
Kapatid.
Yeah.
Patayin mo na nga siya.
What?
Kainis siya. Papantin siya eh. Magtitinda kami eh. Sayang lang yung pag-hard work natin. Hindi tuloy tayo lalabas. Mamamatay tayo pag lalabas tayo. Patik ka.
Love it coming out.
Okay. Nga, ano to pala? Hindi tayo lalapit dyan kasi pa hihilain tayo. Huwag tayo. Okay. Huwag natin ito tindahan na. Huwag, mama.
Oh, yeah, get it.
Continue sweet.
That would be 100.
Glass?
Kulang.
This way.
No way. Iyayin mo na sila. Bye-bye. I'm out of here.